And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how I got into this trade that's about to eat my take profit. You know, there's this kind of joy when your trade is about to eat take profit, but Forex can be funny, you know. All right, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to be showing us how I got into this trade and how we can use my strategy to become profitable. Okay, so before we proceed, I'm just gonna do a little talk. You know, most traders want to catch, beginner traders actually, yeah, it's fun with beginner traders. You know, they want to catch the big peeps. They want to catch 500 peeps per day. They want to catch 1,000 peeps per day. Come on, you have to start small. Okay, so without much talk, I'm gonna proceed to how I got into this trade. I'll just delete this. I'll remove the drawings. Okay, so whenever you want to analyze any market, you have to start from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. From the daily, you go down to 4 hour, go down to 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and if necessary 1 minute. Okay, so how I got into this trade was that I went to the daily time frame. You know, you have to zoom out a little bit, you know, to zoom out to get the general idea. The main reason we use the higher time frame to begin our analysis is just to get the overall, you know, trend of the market. We could see from this point few weeks back, market was in an uptrend, then it came over here, it broke the uptrend, made a retest, started coming down. You know, everyone was anticipating NASDAQ to keep going down, but you know, no one is a market maker. All right, so market has started going up. So I could basically say NASDAQ 100 is currently in an uptrend. Okay, NASDAQ 100 is in an uptrend. NASDAQ 100 is in an uptrend. All right, so we've gotten the general trend, right? So most traders would keep their trend line on the daily, but me, I like to remove mine. I go down to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, it's too small. Okay, so I basically use trend line and a little bit of support and resistance. I'm going to be applying all that in this video. Okay, so just pay attention. You can watch the video over and over again for more understanding. Okay, I'll just pick my trend line tool. You need the minimum of 2 touches when mapping out your trend line. You need the minimum of 2 touches. This is 1 year and this is another one, 2, right? Okay, so I've done that. I'll take my rectangle tool to get my support and resistance. This is a strong resistance zone. As you can all see, this is a strong resistance zone. We'll just leave it at this. This is a strong support zone. This is a strong support zone over here. Okay, so we'll just be dealing with this one for now. I don't think it's necessary to, you know, draw lines over here. We can't see from this point that market was, you know, in a downtrend. You know, I said this earlier on the daily time frame. Okay, so let's dive into the current market price. Okay, so you have to zoom in to, you know, modify your zones. Okay, all right, so let me go down to 1 hour. I hope you all understand how we got to this point. Let me go down to 1 hour. Okay, so I had to plot another trend line. I saw price was in a downtrend this way, Price was in the downtrend this way, came up, made the retest, and started going up. So initially I was expecting price to break this resistance zone, to break this resistance zone and keep going up. Okay, I actually placed a buy limit around 15,300, so I deactivated it, obviously. So price got here. I had to go down to my 5 minutes. Time frame. I can see a downward channel over here, so I just took my trend line, plotted it out, so it was going here. So this was where, before getting to this point, this was where the price was reacting. So I said we need a minimum of 2 touches, then we execute on the third touch. Using trendline strategy, you need a minimum of 2 touches to plot to get a valid trend line, then you execute on third touch. I'm going to repeat that. When using the trendline strategy, you need a minimum of 2 touches and then execute on the third touch. But you also wait for candle confirmation, because it's possible for market to get to your third touch on the trend line and then break it. All right, so you have to be very careful. You have to also know how to use candlestick formations or patterns. So price got to this point. I was waiting for price to get to this point, then I executed my trade. So I took my my short position from here, and then drag it down, come back to 15 minutes or the 1 hour, and saw that okay, fine, I plotted, I was like price was going to go this way, so I'm gonna place my take profit to the nearest support. Okay, nearest support. This is my nearest or previous support. Okay, so this is how I got into this beautiful trade, guys. This is how I got into this beautiful trade. I hope we all understand. Okay, so as time goes on, I'm gonna be dropping more valuable content. I just want you all to subscribe, just support me. Not only forex related stuff, I'm gonna also drop entertainment, lifestyle, vlogs and all that. This channel is gonna be it's gonna be fun. Okay, so till then, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and also share to your friends. Thank you. It's your boy Vinovic, and I'm signing out.
A few moments later.